Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the only components that matter: the core engine, phase coils, and stabilizers. While you collect resources, place a large platform as your base. This ensures stability once you add heavy parts. Once done, snap the core engine into the platform mount and wire two phase coils in parallel so they share output evenly. Make sure to attach stabilizers symmetrically. Imbalance causes spin. Work quickly, because placement order determines whether the machine powers up later. Now you build the drive. Mount phase coils evenly around the core at 90-degree intervals to create a balanced field. Connect insulated wiring from each coil into the core, then route a main feed to the control panel so you can trigger pulses. Once connected, calibrate coil polarity by flipping one coil if you detect counter-rotation. Polarity misalignment ruins synchronization. Make sure to align stabilizers with the craft's center of mass. Minor shifts here prevent drift during activation and reduce failure chance. Finish by charging the core to full capacity while monitoring the readout. Keep power input steady to avoid surges. Trigger a single short pulse first to verify field coherence. If the craft holds, initiate the full jump sequence. If you see wobble or time skips, immediately cut power and reduce output by 10%, then rebalance stabilizers and realign coils. One key troubleshooting tip: instability usually means asymmetry. Inspect mounting points and wiring for a one-off misplacement and correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.